Unity in diversity is India's strength. There is simplicity in every Indian. There is unity in every corner of India. This is our strength. Quote unquote, Sri Narendra Modi. A very warm good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'ams, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Look back and thank God. Look forward and trust God. To invoke the blessings of the Almighty, let's pray. Prayer.
God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will make a way.
Now here is Ritu from 4C to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Let's spread positivity by listening to a beautiful thought. Thought for the day by Namrata from 4C.
Thought for the Day by Henry Ford. Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success. Thank you.
Now, I invite Navashri of 8C to tell us more about our Constitution Day.
The National Constitution Day, also called Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in India to commemorate the adoption of the Constituent Assembly of India. It is celebrated on the 26th of November every year. Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th of November 1949 but came into effect on 26 Jan 1950. Prime Minister Narendra Modi decided to celebrate 26th of November as Constitution Day in 2015 as it was the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Constitution Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the ideologies of B.R. Ambedkar. The Indian Constitution is the longest constitution ever written by any country in the world. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first one to burn it. Quote unquote, B.R. Ambedkar.
Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Adarsh. Today my speech is on Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat. Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat is a new initiative has been launched in the near future in order to enhance unity in India. This initiative is in the process which has been launched and aims to connect people to people all through the country. This scheme was announced by the Prime Minister on Rashtriya Ekta Divas address 31st of October 2015, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to be launched. It is to initiate the cultural connection between different parts of the country. According to this initiative, one state of the country would connect to the other and promotes each other's heritage in other states. Through this scheme, people of a state will get proper knowledge of tradition, culture, and other practices of other states, which will enhance the understanding and bonding among people, thereby strengthen the unity and integrity of India. To make the scheme more effective, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat contest has been started to know the views, ideas of different people all through. We are talking about our country between 29 major states, 8 union territories, 22 major languages, 1,652 other languages, 39 major festivals, and one country. I am proud to be an Indian and beautiful Indian culture. Jai Hind, thank you.
Now, here are the students of 8C and 4C to perform various cultural programs based on the theme Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Hope you all enjoy.
It is said that men love their country, not just because it is great, but because it is their own. And our love for it makes it the best. Arnav from 4th C is now presenting a patriotic song.
Sa ni sa ni da dhani pa dhani re sa सुरों के सजने से बनता है तराना आओ खाएं कसम साथ रहेंगे मिलके हम अपना भारत सबसे हो महान एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत जहाँ सब धर्मों का सम्मान हो जहाँ एक दूजे पे विश्वास हो जहाँ सब नारी का सम्मान हो शांति एकता और सद्भाव हो आओ खाएं कसम साथ रहेंगे मिलके हम अपना भारत सबसे हो महान एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत
Unity in diversity, which indeed true to India. India being diverse with people from different castes, religion, state, etc. is united. The traditional dress of different states is indeed astonishing. Every regional language is different. Every traditional food is different. So now, let's see an ethnic dress show where we will get to see the traditional dresses of some states of India and listen to their traditional language also.
সুপ্রভাত, আমি সোনার বাংলা এক ছেলে মৃগেশ্রী। আমি গর্বিত যে আমি এক ভারতীয় and I am proud to be a citizen of India. West Bengal stretches from gigantic Himalayas in north to vibrant Bay of Bengal in south and shares its boundary with many northeastern states Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha. The capital city, also called City of Joy, is famous for having first Indian university, largest zoo and largest imperial museum of India. Bengal is also famous for sweet language, delicious variety of sweets including Rasagolla and various recipes of fish. West Bengal have Baro Mase Tero Parbon, which means 13 festivals in 12 months like Durga Puja, Kali Puja and Poila Boishakh. Bengal will always remain glorified in the heart of Bharat. Thank you.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ ശ്രേയ. ഞാനിവിടെ കേരളത്തെ പ്രതിനിധാനം ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഞാനൊരു ഭാരതീയനാണ്. Kerala is believed as a gift of Arabian Sea. It is known as God's own country, land of coconut trees and spice garden of India. It is the most literate state of India. It is
known for its major attractions of tourism like backwaters, hill stations, tropical greenery and Ayurvedic tourism. Thank you.
મારા નામ કિશન તિવારી. અમે ભારતીય નાગરિક છે. Gujarat is definitely known for its worldwide famous food item Dhokla. It also has the largest coastline in whole India. It is also known for its lost city Dwarika, which was city of Lord Krishna. The most prominent leader of 20th century, Gandhiji, was also born here. Thank you.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव श्रेया आहे. मी महाराष्ट्राचे प्रतिनिधित्व करीत आहे. मी एक भारतीय आहे. The traditional food we eat is vada pav and the traditional dress worn by women is a Marathi sari. The famous cricketer Sachin Tendulkar is also from Dadar, which is located in Maharashtra.
हमारा नाम अदिति पांडे है. हम उत्तर प्रदेश के प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं. हम एक भारतीय हैं. The famous street of Uttar Pradesh is Balushali. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is also located in Uttar Pradesh. Amitabh Bachchan, the famous actor, is also from
राम राम सबने. मारो नाम आर्य था. मैं हरियाणा से हूँ, पर सबसे पहले मैं भारतीय हूँ. Now let us know some cool facts about Haryana. It was first carved from Punjab in 1966. It borders with the national capital from the north and the northwest. And the more than half of the population of this state is engaged with agriculture and the farm. And it is the first state of India to have 100% rural.
राम राम साहब. हमारा नाम निशिता है और मैं राजस्थान की रहने वाली हूँ. और सौंपल्या मैं एक भारतीय हूँ. The traditional food of Rajasthan is dal, bati and churma. And the traditional dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar. And millions of tourists visit Rajasthan because of its beauty. And the tourist spots are Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner and Udaipur. And the successful businessman Lakshmi Narayan Mittal is also from Rajasthan. And the famous actor Irfan Khan was also from Rajasthan. And this is a traditional dress. खंबा गढ़.
सत श्री अकाल. मैं अनगा हाँ. मैं पंजाब की रहने वाली हाँ. मैं भारतवासी हाँ. धन्यवाद. The word Punjab is derived from the two Persian words Panj meaning 5 in numbers and Ab meaning water. Punjab is called as the land of 5 rivers. It was the first state where the president rule was imposed, and also Punjab is known as the breadbasket of India, as the soil of Punjab is really fertile and the main crops like barley, wheat and mustard are grown. Sarson ka saag and makki ki roti are the two main famous dishes in Punjab. Thank you.
मेरा नाम ऋषभ सिंह है. मैं उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ और भारतीय हूँ. उत्तर प्रदेश. Uttar Pradesh was created on 26 Jan 1950. Uttar Pradesh is known for its rich culture and tradition. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is also located in this state. The most common and famous festivals of this state are Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Krishna Janmashtami, Mahashivratri, etc. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
सुप्रभात. আমার নাম পরি. আমি বেঙ্গল থেকে এসেছি এবং আমি একজন ভারতীয়. West Bengal is famous for its terracotta temples in Vishnupur. Hazardwari Palace, a popular tourist attraction, is known to have the second largest chandelier in the world and largest staircase in India.
नमस्कार. यारो नो सुकृति छो. मी हिमाचल प्रदेश रो छो. पर मी भटी भारतीय छो. Himachal Pradesh is also known as the Apple State. Nati is a famous folk dance of Himachal Pradesh, which holds the Guinness World Record for the largest folk dance ever. A small village in Himachal Pradesh, known as Kasol, is also called Mini Israel due to the high percentage of Israeli tourists present there.
Do you know which is the 18th state of India? Yes, it is Himachal Pradesh, which was formed in 15th April 1948. Himachal Pradesh is the land of God with very little discovered and so much to explore and discover about this adobe of natural beauty and snow. The word Himachal Pradesh comes from the Sanskrit word Hima, which means snow, and also the literal meaning of the state name is in the lap of Himalaya. Himachal Pradesh is known as the fruit bowl of India. Produces a wider range of fruit including pear, apricot, peach, plum, apple and more.
Himachal Pradesh is a multi-regional and multicultural state like other states in India. Nati is the dance performed and Rakhi is the festival celebrated. Himachal Pradesh is also famous for its handicrafts. Thank you.
Himachal Pradesh, also known as the Switzerland of India, is known for many of its features. The most important being its terrain. Here are some of the images about its terrain. Firstly, its slopes. Next, the hills. Last but not the least, its vegetation.
There is a huge forest covering in Himachal, and because of this there is a vast variety of flora and fauna. The wildlife of Himachal Pradesh has attracted people from everywhere. Animal lovers come here to get a glimpse of beautiful Himalayan animals and birds. Plants like bamboo, chil, oak, deodar, kale, fir, spruce are found here. A person can get sight of musk deer, bharal, black bear, Tibetan wolf, leopard cat, sambar, goral, barking deer, monal, white-crested kalij and cheer pheasant in Himachal Pradesh.
There are total of 26 wildlife sanctuaries in Himachal Pradesh and 5 national parks. The state has a wide variety of flora and fauna. Master of its environment and mostly living a solitary life, the snow leopards are the state animals of Himachal Pradesh. Rhododendron campanulatum, one of the most beautiful flower, is the state flower of Himachal Pradesh.
Festivals of Himachal Pradesh. Famous festivals of Himachal Pradesh are Sisu Fair, Lohri, Kullu Dashera, Halda Festival, Shivratri Fair, Suloni Mela, Ice Skating Festival, Neena Devi Fair. The Sisu Fair celebrated at Buddhist Himalayas. Its major attraction is its masked dance celebrated in the village of Sisu Kopma. Lohri, also known as Maghi, is celebrated in the village of the district Kangra. Kullu Dashera is the most important festival of Himachal Pradesh. It shows the love of music and dance among the people and also the lifestyle of the people.
The snow-clad mountains, the lush green valleys, the freshness in the air, the tranquility in the environment. These are a few things that describe Himachal Pradesh at its best. And there you go, missing a big surprise that Himachal Pradesh has got for you. It's the Himachali food. The Himachalis pour their heart out in their dishes, and some of its best dishes are Madra. The dish mainly consists of soaked chana cooked well in oil and various spices that enhance the taste of this dish. Every restaurant, every occasion and every festival in the Himachal Pradesh will have Madra offered to you with utmost love. Dham. The dish is a complete food that, along with a great taste, promises a healthy dose of nutrients. The distinctive feature about this dish is that it is prepared by special chefs known as botis. To grab the best taste of dham, you must visit Himachal in the festive season. Turkiya Bhat. The dish is the authentic pulao of Himachal Pradesh that Pahari people cook in their very own style. And for the best taste, it is complemented with mashed dal and few drops of lime juice. Thank you.
Himachal Pradesh promises a great number of non-vegetarian delicacies. Kullu trot is a famous dish which is prepared with trout fish. The marinated fish is cooked in the minimal spices to keep the nutrients and the original taste of the trout intact. The dish is best coupled with the number of boiled vegetables, and hence it remains one of the healthiest delicacies of Himachal Pradesh. Mittha. Mittha is the street dish of Himachal Pradesh prepared on special occasions. It has sweetened rice mixed with dry fruits and raisins. Babru. Himachal have added a unique twist to popular kachoris of North India. Babru is a flat bread which is prepared with the stuffing of black gram paste which is added to the kneaded dough. The crisp and the scrumptious taste that this dish has to offer will make you forget the conventional kachoris of North India. Babru is best enjoyed with tamarind chutney, and it is also complements the famous Chana Madra of Himachal cuisine. It is mainly found in Simla. Thank you.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तो, आबाद रहे तो। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
There is a thing that is incredible about this nation, that is its diversity. Now, we the students of class 8C are going to give to you a glance of this diversity through a group of songs of various different languages from all over India.
पावसाची ग अप्सरा अशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग माळेन मेरी श्रीमती राय चंबले कितनी शिवले दिवसना कसाले दिवसना शिवले दिवसना कसाले दिवसना जब मैं जाना जरूर जब मैं जाना जरूर तमिळा तमिळा नाळे नाळे तमिळा तमिळा नाडुം നാളെ എൻവിന്നുകൾ തമിഴ്നാട് എന്തേ சொன்னாடா എൻവിന്നുകൾ എങ്ങനെ சொல்லடா തമിഴാ തമിഴാ നാളെ നാളെ തമിഴാ തമിഴാ നാടും कुछ सहेलियां कुछ पीलनियां कुछ सहेलियां कुछ पीलनियां हो ले बन जाना ले ढोला बंगड़ियां कुछ सहेलियां कुछ पीलनियां हो ले बन जाना ले ढोला
बामा मोटड़ियां बंगा छोटड़ियां बामा मोटड़ियां बंगा छोटड़ियां हो सोए दियां बिक दियां चार ले वो दिंगा बंगड़ियां बामा मोटड़ियां बंगा छोटड़ियां हो सोए दियां बिक दियां चार ले वो दिंगा बंगड़ियां
ढोला लेरनिया ढोला लेरनिया हो ले जाया जमुआरे शहरा ले दिया बंगड़िया ढोला लेरनिया ढोला लेरनिया हो ले जाया जमुआरे शहरा ले दिया बंगड़िया
जानी मेरड़िए हो चली पोया जमुआ रे शहरा ले वो दिंगा बंगड़ियां जानी मेरड़िए हो चली पोया जमुआ रे शहरा ले वो दिंगा बंगड़ियां
एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत।
दानी है तू दानी दानी है तू दानी मेरे भारत दानी तू सबका
दिल में तू ही जाने तू ही तेरे लिए धड़के है दिल सबका।
एक है भारत
श्रेष्ठ भारत
एक है भारत
आकर मिल जाए तो बन जाए हैं सागर।
लहरें लहरों से मिल जाए, एक बड़ा दरिया बन जाए, शान को जितना पानी उसका गहरा उतना ही कहलाए।
एक है भारत, श्रेष्ठ है भारत,
एक है भारत, श्रेष्ठ है भारत। धीरे आपणो भारत। अलग अलग है सुर तो क्या है, राग मगर है
सांधी सांधी खुशबू इसकी
स्वर्ग से आई है ये धरती, आंखें बिखरे हैं इस पे आकाश सुंदर रंग। एक है भारत, श्रेष्ठ है भारत, एक है भारत, श्रेष्ठ है भारत।
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा। जुनू के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।